easy way to create your content. You need your iPhone and you need your Apple Watch. You connect your iPhone with your Apple Watch and then you're ready to go. You will create your content and your Apple Watch will assist you as a personal assistant to create your content. Either you can put your Apple Watch on the table like that, or you can wear your Apple Watch and create your content. Turn off auto brightness. You go to settings. So you go to settings. Then you go to accessibility. Then after you click on accessibility, you click on display and text size. After you go to display and text size, you scroll down. You go where it says auto brightness. Mine is off. So if it's on, you come here, you turn it off. Turn off low power mode. You go again to settings, tap to battery, make sure low power mode is off. So when you record something or you're using your phone, your iPhone won't dim. Set auto lock to never if screen is going dark. Go to settings, tap display and brightness, tap auto lock. As you scroll down and you tap there, mine is already set up to never, so you tap there, tap never. Or if you want to time it, you can choose 3 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, your choice. Disable attention aware feature for Face ID models. So you go to settings, tap on Face ID, Face ID, have to enter your passcode, go down and turn off attention aware feature. Mine is off already because I turned it off while I was recording something. I decided to turn it off, and that is how I do it.